Trying to send a party chat invite to a friend, and you keep getting this message? Cannot add player to party because of their settings. Then you have to assume one of two things. One, they don't want to be contacted anymore. Or two, they have the wrong privacy settings. Today, I will show you how to fix that. Let's get into it. So what you need to tell your friends to do is to go up to settings, go down to user and accounts, go down to privacy, view and customize your privacy settings, then scroll all the way down. You should see who can interact with you through parties, games, and messages. Make sure for this section, you have friends only. If it defaults to no one, then change it back to friends only. And that's how you'll be able to contact your friends. Both persons need to have the settings as friends only to be contacted. And that's how you fix it, guys. So now that your friend has fixed their privacy settings, it's time to pop on those game mics, jump into your favorite game, and have some fun taking down other players in your own private party chat. If you like this video, guys, drop me a like and subscribe to the channel. And until next time, I will catch you guys in the next one.
God dang!
They're dead.
Bro, how many hit markers, bro? I had like 5.
Bro,
Everybody would say no.
this dude clubbing me with armor.
Taking Charlie.
How is it?
Secure.
I played Call of
Enemy
Duty.
We lost A. Taking
Sniper top right.
B secure.
Can't run around with a big hammer.
Request counter spy plane above.
Electronic countermeasures active.
Throwing smoke.
Multiple enemy spy plane contact. 500
You're trying to kill me.
spy plane midway.
Multiple hostile spy planes detected.
Bro, I'm literally pressing trigger. Come on.
Yet. Keep it tight.
Oh!
Losing Charlie.